What is up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Product. I have been spending a lot of time on the trails lately, and I think I found the perfect pair of kicks to handle the mud and rain. We are looking at the Kailas MT52 waterproof hiking shoes. Trust me, these might just change how you hike forever. Man, I really have to tell you about the upper on these things first because it is a total game changer for real world use. Callis went with this high quality waterproof cold mile material that just sheds water like a duck. I was recently walking through some pretty deep mud and even crossed a shallow stream to test them out, and my feet stayed bone dry the entire time. Usually, when you get a waterproof shoe, it feels like wearing a plastic bag, but they actually fix that issue by adding this incredibly breathable cotton fabric lining on the inside. It really keeps the air moving so your feet do not get all sweaty and gross after a couple of miles in the summer heat. Let's talk about the midsole too, because that is where the real comfort comes from. They used EVA cushioning, which honestly feels like you're walking on a cloud even when the ground under you is full of jagged rocks and roots. It does a fantastic job of soaking up all that impact so your knees and ankles do not feel trashed at the end of a long day. And then there is the outsole, which is probably my favorite part. It is this super grippy anti-slip rubber that really bites into the terrain. I tested it on some wet granite and slick mossy logs, and the traction was just incredibly solid. You do not get that sliding feeling that usually leads to a wiped out knee or a twisted ankle. What really surprises me though is just how light they are. Usually, a technical hiking shoe that handles mountains and forests feels like a heavy brick on your foot, but these are surprisingly agile. You can actually pick up the pace or even jog a bit if the trail opens up without feeling weighed down at all. It is that perfect mix of technical performance and everyday comfort. I have worn these on everything from casual forest walks to some pretty intense uphill climbs, and they just hold up beautifully. The construction feels very premium, and you can tell they thought about how a hiker actually moves in the wild. The way the materials work together to keep you dry and stable is just impressive. The biggest win for me is definitely that balance of weight and protection. You usually have to choose between a heavy boot that keeps you dry or a light sneaker that gets soaked, but these Kailas MT52 shoes give you the best of both worlds. The waterproofing is totally legit, which means you do not have to plan your hikes around the weather forecast anymore. If it starts pouring, you just keep moving without a care. Another huge plus is that EVA midsole. If you have ever dealt with serious foot fatigue on a long trek, you know how much a little extra cushion really matters. It makes a 10-mile hike feel like a 5-mile one. I also love the peace of mind you get from the anti-slip rubber. Knowing you can step on a wet rock without worrying about a trip to the emergency room is a massive confidence booster for any hiker. Plus, the breathable lining is a total lifesaver for those of us who hike in humid climates. Your feet stay fresh, which helps prevent those nasty blisters. Now, it is not all sunshine and rainbows. The nylon upper is super durable, but it can be a little bit noisy when you are breaking them in, kind of like a crinkling swish sound with every step you take. Also, the technical look might not be for everyone if you are looking for something to wear to a nice dinner after your hike. They definitely look like serious outdoor gear. Lastly, if you have extremely wide feet, you might find the fit a bit snug at first, so keep that in mind before you go. If you are a weekend warrior who loves hitting muddy trails or someone who frequently finds themselves crossing small streams, these are perfect for you. They are ideal for people who want the protection of a heavy boot without that massive weight dragging them down. I would recommend these to anyone who prioritizes staying dry and comfortable over everything else. Whether you are doing casual forest walks or tackling some serious elevation, the MT52 is a solid investment for your gear closet. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe to Tech Product for more honest reviews. The link to pick these up is in the description down below. I will see you all out on the trails.